Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. Just gonna give you guys a little little video on the noid light set and coil over plug testing tool here from Macro Tools. Apparently, if you're having trouble a lot of times with coil on plugs, you got two different types. I don't have both of them today, but this is a coil on plug quick probe, which a lot of times you can test right from the right from the engine compartment. No need to just make disconnections, anything like that. You're taking the pulse width right from the actual components, rather than taking things apart, testing and stuff like that. So you're taking the signals with this tool right here. These are pretty handy to have. They're gonna give you the signal. Like I said, you don't have to bother taking things apart to test, which is really nice to do, because that saves you a lot of time and trouble. But there's two different styles of these. This one actually has like a paddle style here. Then you also have another type, which I can't show you, but I can probably explain to you. It has like a prod on the end of it rather than this paddle, and it's basically measuring the pulse width and sending the signal up to the pistol grip here, which is gonna tone. It's gonna let you know if it's actually firing up or not, and it's just a great time saver. And like I said, and if you're into a job like that and it's giving you all kinds of problems and stuff, these guys are the way to go. This is Macro Tools. There's a whole bunch of them out there. I think just about all of them make them. I've seen Blue Point, from Snap-on, stuff like that. This one just happens to be Macro Tools. I just got a hold of a couple of them in the tool haul, and I grabbed them because, like I said, now with coil over plugs, you're gonna end up with those more so than rotor caps and stuff like that, old school stuff. You're not gonna see that stuff unless you're working on old school stuff, which a lot of times that stuff doesn't roll into the shop. I mean, we do get hot rods, things like that every so often. Exotic cars from time to time, things like that, but not all that often. So like I said to you before, coil on plug is going to be the norm nowadays. So nice tool to have, and like I said, you're going to be saving yourself a lot of aggravation with this tool. Now going to fuel injection noid light kits. These you do have to plug in. A lot of times, if you're chasing fouled up fuel injectors, dirty fuel injectors, things to that effect. All different styles, types, things like that. Actually, for another set, this happens to be a max set here. You get all different types. Like I said, all different makes, models, GMs, Fords, stuff like that. Older trucks, Geo Prisms, all different types. But the booklet here typically shows you what for what. Bosch style, Ford throttle body injection, GM style, things to that effect. But this is an older set, so it's gonna have stuff like that in it. But the newer ones now, they come with like IAC testers, noid lights. There's a little set down Harbor Freight that has like these, and has the IAC tester, which is pretty handy to have. Like if you're dealing with like a Dodge product or something like that, to have it in there for your convenience. So I seen the set down there. I just happen to have these. Haven't bought the set myself, so I really can't tell you too much about it. But I just might pick it up one day just to, just to have that IAC tester, because I don't have one, and I do have a Dodge truck, and it does have that type of system, so that might come into play someday. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, hopefully, I get up there one day and just grab it, because like I said, it's good to have just in case, because you never know. I actually had the IAC go on me. I actually tested it. It was in fact bad, so it's just a lot of testing, and a lot of guesswork, and it just testing and guesswork. It was just a lot. So I'd rather have just the right tool to do it, and it just makes things so much easier to do, So yeah, I thought I'd give you a real quick one today, guys, and next time I'll be a little more prepared. I'll have both of these around, so that way, I could probably show you the other one too, if I ever I actually have to go to my job to find that, because it's there right now, it's stuck up there. But if I ever make another video like this, I'll shoot it in there, and show you guys. But like I said, just a quick one today, guys. And next time around, I'll have something a little different in the works. So, all right, guys. Have a nice night, and please subscribe, and hope you like this one. Take care, guys.